So hello everyone, my name is Shyam Prakash Jha. I have completed the task, the third task. The title of the task is Exploratory Data Analysis, and in the given task we have to perform exploratory data analysis on the dataset SampleSuperstore. As a business manager, we have to find out the weak areas where we can work to make more profit. Also, we have to find the business problems which we can derive while exploring the dataset. I have analyzed the data using Tableau. Now in Tableau, this is the dataset SampleSuperstore. These are the columns present in the dataset: ship mode, product segment. Here the product is divided into three segments: consumer, corporate, and home office. Then these four columns contain the address of the customers where the product was delivered. We have divided the states into four regions: south, west, east, and central. We have divided the product into categories: furniture, office supplies, and technology, which are further subcategorized into tables, storage, furnishings, labels, chairs, etc. We have also the sales amount, the quantity ordered by the customer, the discount offered to the customer, and the profit earned in the transaction. So now moving on to the dashboard created from the given data set. This is the dashboard. The sales region represents all the states divided into four regions, which is west, central, east, and south. I have represented the factors affecting the sales and profit by horizontal and vertical bar charts. While analyzing the data set, in case of population segment, we can observe that the contribution of consumer segment is the highest for sales as well as profit. But while exploring the dataset, we come across some very important and serious facts. In case of central region, we see that the contribution of consumer segment is the highest in sales, but at the same region we have the lowest contribution of consumer segment in profit. But in other regions, the case is different. The consumer segment is the one contributing the highest for sales as well as profit in east, in south and west region, but only in central region the contribution of consumer segment in profit is the lowest. This is one of the weak areas where we have to work upon so that the profit contributed by the consumer segment improves and helps us to improve the overall profit earned by the company. Also in the same bar chart, we can see that the contribution of home office in all the regions combined is the least for both sales as well as profit. And while we see the contribution of the home office in all the regions like central, east, south, and west, we understand that home office contributes the least in case of sales as well as profit. And this is one of the problems. We need to find the reason why home office contributes the least in comparison to or the other two population segments, which are consumer and corporate. Solving this problem will help us to improve the sales of home office in all the regions, helping us to improve the contribution of home office in profit, which helps us to improve the overall profit earned by the company. Now moving on to the next factor, which is shipping mode. Here we can see that the highest contribution by any shipping mode in sales and profit is standard class shipping mode. But what we have to observe here is the contribution done by same day delivery in case of sales as well as in profit. And what we can see here is very shocking, because same day delivery has the least amount of contribution in sales as well as in profit, which leads us to the question why same day delivery has the least amount of contribution in sales as well as in profit, because any customer would be happy to have the product delivered on the same day itself, but still it has the least amount of contribution in sales and profit. If we see its contribution separately in all regions, the problem becomes more serious, because in many cases the contribution we have to suffer losses also. Like in the southern region, we have to suffer a loss of $2,000, and in the other regions, where even if the profit is positive, the contribution is so much less in comparison to other three shipping modes. So the problem here is we have to find why the people are not choosing same day delivery over other shipping modes, because we have to get returns on the capital and the logistics we are using for same day delivery, so that we earn a decent amount of profit. And to do this, we have to solve the problem with the same day delivery and attract customers to choose same day delivery over other shipping modes also. Now moving on to the next factor affecting sales and profit, which is category. Here we can see that for all the regions, we have product categorized into three category: furniture, office supplies, and technology. And here we can see for all the regions, the contribution of furniture, office supplies, and technology is nearly the same, with technology being the highest, furniture having $742,000 contribution, office supplies with $719,000 of contribution. But at the same time, if we see the contribution of furniture and office supplies and technology in profit, then the problem comes in the front. That is, the contribution by the furniture category is very, very low in comparison to office supplies and technology. And this raises the question, why the contribution by furniture category is the least, even if its contribution in sales is nearly the same as office supplies and technology. And office supplies and technology have very, very much high profit in comparison to furniture. To understand the problem more deeply, we see the contribution of furniture category in sales and profit, and we come across some very important facts, which are, in case of central region, the furniture category is contributing around $164,000, but we are suffering a loss of $3,000, whereas office supplies and technology, they both have profit of around $9,000 and $34,000. In other regions like East, South, and West, we can see that the contribution of furniture category is nearly the same as technology and office supplies, or sometimes it is greater than the other two, but still the profit earned by the furniture category is way less than the profit earned by technology and office supplies. And this raises the question, why still having the highest contribution in sales, or nearly having the contribution same as to other two categories, the contribution of furniture category in profit is the lowest. And this leads us to question the investment of capital in all the three categories. And this makes us understand that the contribution of capital in furniture, office supplies, and technology, the capital invested in furniture is way more than that invested in office supplies and technology, which results in such a low amount of profit in comparison to office supplies and technology. So we have to find a way to reduce either the investment of capital in furniture, or we have to improve the sales of furniture category so that it would compensate and help us to improve the profit earned by the furniture category, helping us to improve the overall profit. Also, we can see that the technology category has been earning the highest contribution in sales as well as profit, which indicates that uh, technology category products are in the most demand in the market, and we should invest more in technology category products so that we can earn more and more profit. So this was my analysis on the given dataset SampleSuperstore. In the analysis, I have come across some of the weak areas where we have to work upon, which are the contribution of consumer population segment in profit, how to improve it for the central region, then the contribution of same day delivery shipping mode in case of sales and profit, how we can work upon it so that we get decent returns on the investment of capital and logistics for the same day delivery shipping mode, and how we can, and the major problem of furniture category where the contribution of furniture category in sales is nearly as equal to office supplies and technology, but due to large amount of capital investment and logistics, the profit earned is not as much as we earn in office supplies and technology. And to improve the profit, we have to improve our sales or work out a way to reduce the capital investment in furniture to help us to improve the profit earned in the furniture category. So this was my analysis. Thank you.